Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Round 6. And if you want to check it out on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL6, and there's a Facebook page. You'll find links down there below. And this is a sketch that we're all working from today, or playing. It's more like play. And yeah, I stuck pretty close to it. Um, I'm going to be using 3 pictures of my grandson, and he's eating ice cream at McDonald's. And I, the the collection I picked was Echo Park, and That's My Boy is most of it. And then there's All Boy that I've just got a few like chipboard and stuff from, but they match pretty good, so I just stuck them in there together. But like I said, the papers, that's what I meant. The papers are from That's My Boy, and then the rest are odds and ends. But there was plenty to choose from to go on here. That collection had 2 sheets of stickers to start with, and I added one more. And then I added the chipboard stuff, so I have plenty to choose from. And the he's got a red shirt on, so I wanted to make sure I used red. Well, y'all know I do like yellow because apparently I've been using it quite a bit. I've noticed that lately. And I took a striped paper and backed his photo in it, the yellow and the red. And then I noticed that there was a scallop down there at the bottom of the original inspiration piece. And there's a scallop on the sticker sheet. I was going to cut one out of my die cut machine, which cuts a little short. Well, this did too, which is surprising. The next sticker I pull out don't. And they're by the same company. So, yeah, this one I had to kind of try to center as best I could, and boy, did it stick good. So it wasn't going to be moved. And I only put a little glue back there, I thought, but it's sure hard to pull up because I wanted to tuck the pictures and stuff behind it. And I used my punch from, well, it's Hobby Lobby. I think it's like an off brand, but it works. And I like the punch that comes out. Y'all know when you have as many stickers as I have at this moment with this kit to choose from, that it takes a little bit longer. And I enjoy that though. I do. I enjoy that. We had spent the day like I was driving around and going different places to sightsee and let them check out the caves and the creek and different places, the park. So they did a lot of going that day. So they were really good eaters that day, plus the car. So I picked out the chipboard thing that says enjoy the ride and just hanging out the good life and snapshots because I took a lot of them. Plus I got pulled out a sticker that says important things to do. And the first thing on there is eat. And so that definitely was an important thing that day. Those kids stayed hungry. And they really enjoyed the ice cream that we got. I did too. But be sure to look down there below because this is Christy's Hop and 30 Days of Sketches. And her 6th round, she's done this. This will be her 6th time doing it. And she's had a whole lot of people join in. And because everybody loves Christy, so they all wanted to join in too. And she picks great sketches out too. Like this one, I probably wouldn't have thought of doing it quite like this, but I enjoyed doing the sketch. That's why I stick so close to it. I thought, well, that's looking good. I like that. And so, yeah, I am pretty close to it, but I do have the more. And I'll have to admit, it showed a strip going across there that looks like stitches. and I'm not going to stitch. Nope. I usually do, but I thought, well, I have to stitch it with just the strip because I wouldn't want to stitch through everything I'm putting on here. I tried that the other day, stitching through some thicker materials. So I just decided to use this strip that looks like the buttons on a Game Boy or something like that, some kind of game. And still going along the lines that we stopped quite a few places and were sightseeing, I decided that my title was going to be McDonald's Pit Stop. And I am going to look for a puffy sticker that looks kind of like a minivan because I had a bluish green minivan that day, teal. So I thought since I would have a sticker like that, similar, sort of, kind of, I might as well use it on the layout too. And those little cars, I got them to go on one layout where my great nephew was playing with cars, but I've used them on quite a few since then. I always think it's just the cutest thing when little boys' pockets are full of those Matchbox cars and they're pulling them out and starting to play. Never leave home without them, kind of thing. Jake had them all the time. I think I'm getting kind of close to getting done. So be sure to check out the links that are down there below. It'll be Facebook, some Instagram, um, and of course YouTube. My mind went blank for a second there. I was going to say Facebook last, and I already said Facebook. But yeah, Christy started a Facebook group so that everybody can join in, use the same sketch that we use as inspiration, and post your pictures in the Facebook group. So much fun seeing the variations with everybody. I am really enjoying that. I'm going to have to see what all's going on there today because I haven't looked yet today. I decided I wanted a wonky border around here. So I'm going to use a blue zig rider since there is quite a bit of blue in this. And instead of using twine on my tag, I used embroidery thread because I thought about doing twine and having the two colors. And then I happened to notice the blue embroidery thread from when I sewed the other day. And I'd stuck it in the twine without thinking. I'm not sure about that. I didn't put it back with the embroidery thread. Anyway, I got to use it today because of that. But yeah, I did my tag with embroidery thread. And of course, like I said, my border's kind of wonky because I like it that way. And I'm going to put some little zigzags in between here and there. But I think that's it. I think I'll be done with my layout. But thank you all so much for watching. If you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe and try out this sketch. Well, what's cool about this is you could go to Facebook, which the sketch will be posted there, and you can see what everybody else is doing besides looking at the YouTube ones, because there has been a great turnout of everybody showing what they're doing. But see y'all tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.